It's really simple to create a virtual vision board in the Pages app on your iPad or iPhone. First, you want to scout the internet for pictures that capture your goals for the next year. I am using Canva, but you could use any other free stock image website to do this. I can also manipulate it here by adding text and borders or any other additional images. After downloading the images into your photos, you can now open up the Pages app. In this app, there are a lot of different ways that you can customize. You could add drawings, shapes, text, photos that you would have downloaded into your camera roll. Then you can format these images, make it bigger, smaller, change the positioning, change the overall look of it. But most importantly, you are able to change the background to make it look like an actual corkboard. So in order to do this, you click the three dots at the top right hand corner, then you go to document setup, then you click on section, then background, and then image, and then from here you could change the image. So I'm gonna go ahead and look up a clear picture of a corkboard without anything on it, download it just like I did previously for the other images, and then I'll be able, once it is saved in my camera roll, I'll be able to select the photo and change the background image. So this is the fastest and simplest way to create your virtual vision board. And as you can see on my board, it only has 4 pictures, but this really shows 3 business goals in which I would like to achieve in 2021, and that is building my website, which will have a blog functionality as well as a shopping functionality. And I would also like to make my first $1,000 online, and I would like to achieve 1000 YouTube subscribers. So you would see, if you watch other videos because you're watching this one, and you would see people have like a lot of different pictures on their vision board, and I did this for my vision board in 2020. However, I was only able to achieve maybe one or two of those things, the main one being my starting my YouTube channel and registering my business. So this year or this time around, I think that setting more reasonable goals and achievable goals, as well as not overwhelming myself with like about 10 goals, which could fall into the category of making New Year's resolutions. Um, I think this is the most practical way, and that way I could backtrack and see exactly the steps or that I would need to take in order to achieve each of these goals, and therefore it could be more manageable. So comment down below, what are some of your business goals for the next year, and if you'd like to know more about what I do on my channel, you can watch the video coming up next, and I'll see you in the next video.